Today, let's embark on a profound exploration into the labyrinth of rejection, drawing inspiration from the timeless wisdom of the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Have you ever found yourself standing before a closed door, its slam echoing in the corridors of your mind, only to realize later that it was a serendipitous turn of events? Imagine traversing a realm where every no isn't a barrier but a beacon, guiding you towards uncharted territories of opportunity and growth. Rejection, often wielding the sting of 1,000 arrows, possesses a latent power waiting to be unraveled. It's not merely an obstacle but a threshold, inviting you to transcend limitations and unveil your latent potential. It's a canvas upon which the artistry of resilience is painted, a crucible in which the metal of character is forged. Feeling overlooked, disregarded, or underestimated? It's time to rewrite the narrative of rejection. In this immersive journey, we'll delve into a compendium of transformative insights, each a radiant gem illuminating the path towards turning rejection into a springboard for success. But before we delve into this treasure trove of wisdom, let's ensure that the resonance of these teachings reverberates far and wide. Now, let's embark on this odyssey of self-discovery and empowerment together. Are you prepared to metamorphose your rejections into resplendent victories? Defy the odds. Picture yourself standing tall amidst the tempest of indifference, unfazed by the gusts of apathy. Ignoring those who disregard you isn't an act of pettiness, but a declaration of self-worth. By refusing to be tethered to the opinions of others, you're reclaiming your sovereignty over your narrative. Redirect your gaze towards the horizon of possibility, immersing yourself in pursuits that enrich your spirit and fortify your resolve. Master your emotions. Rejection, like a tempest raging within the chambers of the soul, threatens to engulf you in its tumultuous waves. Yet, within the depths of Stoicism lies the beacon of equanimity, guiding you towards a tranquil harbor amidst the storm. Resist the siren call of emotional turmoil, embracing instead the serenity of a composed response. Stoicism beckons you to confront the tempest with a calm demeanor, acknowledging your feelings without succumbing to their tempestuous sway. Embrace detachment. Transforming rejection into a potent elixir of resilience requires a paradigm shift, a shift from attachment to detachment. Acknowledge the reverberations of rejection without allowing them to reverberate within the chambers of your consciousness. View rejection not as a barricade, but as a divergent path leading to uncharted territories of growth and self-discovery. Illuminate your worth. In the crucible of rejection, the flames of adversity serve as the crucible wherein the gold of your character is refined. Instead of succumbing to the shadows of self-doubt, let rejection be the catalyst that illuminates the brilliance of your worth. Seize every setback as an opportunity to showcase your mettle, allowing your actions to reverberate with the resounding echo of your potential. Harness the power of silence. Amidst the cacophony of indifference, let silence be your staunch companion. Embrace the pregnant pause between words, allowing it to reverberate with the quiet strength of inner resilience. Silence isn't an absence, but a presence that speaks volumes about your resolve and self-assurance. Prove the naysayers wrong. Rejection isn't a verdict, but a challenge, an invitation to defy the limitations imposed by others' perceptions. Let your actions be the silent rebuttal to their doubts, showcasing your prowess and resilience with quiet determination. Transmute rejection into motivation, using it as the fuel that propels you towards the zenith of your potential. Seek joy amidst adversity. Amidst the shadows of rejection, let joy be your guiding light, a beacon of hope, illuminating the path towards resilience and self-discovery. Engage in activities that nourish your soul and foster connections that uplift your spirits. In the tapestry of human connection, find solace and strength amidst shared experiences of laughter and camaraderie. Elevate your social standing. Rejection isn't a reflection of your worth, but an opportunity to elevate your social status through acts of self-improvement and community engagement, cultivate meaningful connections, and contribute to the collective tapestry of humanity, enriching the lives of others while fortifying your own sense of purpose and belonging. Uphold dignity amidst indifference. In the face of indifference, let dignity be your staunch ally, a bastion of strength amidst the tumult of rejection. Respond with kindness, but maintain emotional distance, safeguarding your inner peace with unwavering resolve. By staying true to your principles, you affirm your worth and integrity in the face of adversity. Embrace the wisdom of silence. Rather than clamoring for attention, let silence be your sanctuary, a refuge of introspection and self-discovery. In the silence between words, find solace and clarity, reaffirming your values and purpose with unwavering conviction. By embracing silence, you reclaim your power and dignity, transcending the cacophony of indifference with quiet strength and resilience. Cultivate a composure amidst rejection. In the face of rejection, maintain your composure and dignity, refusing to let the tempest of emotion engulf you. By staying grounded in your inner strength and resolve, you navigate the turbulent waters of rejection with grace and resilience. Uphold your dignity amidst indifference. When faced with indifference, let dignity be your guiding light, a beacon of strength and self-respect in the face of rejection. Respond with kindness and empathy, but maintain emotional distance, safeguarding your inner peace and integrity. Preserve your dignity in the face of rejection. Instead of revealing your struggles, maintain your composure and dignity, refusing to let rejection define you. By staying true to yourself and your values, you navigate the challenges of rejection with grace and resilience. In conclusion, rejection isn't a roadblock but a stepping stone, a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. By embracing rejection with courage and resilience, you transform adversity into opportunity, emerging stronger and more resilient than ever before. Stay steadfast on your journey of self-discovery and empowerment, knowing that every setback is a testament to your strength and resilience. Together, let's embrace rejection as a catalyst for transformation and triumph.